These classic grilled beef fajitas are bold, smoky, and packed with flavor. This recipe is perfect for your next backyard cookout or weeknight dinner. Hi, Chef Dagan here in the Beef It's What's for Dinner Culinary Center, funded by the Beef Checkoff. Let's get grilling. Fajitas typically use skirt steak. Today, we're using flank. First, we're gonna go ahead and make our marinade. This one's really easy. Okay, we're gonna start off with some water. The recipe says fajita seasoning packet. We have a terrific recipe. It's a taco seasoning packet on Beef It's What's for Dinner. Go check it out. It's good for a bunch of things, including this. We're gonna add that. Okay, and then we're gonna add some lime juice. And I love these recipes because they are quick and easy. You don't use a lot of ingredients, so I don't have to spend a lot of time making dinner or lunch. And then we're just gonna add, the recipe doesn't call for it, but I'm gonna add just a little bit of oil to the recipe. Just a little bit. And then we're gonna give it a mix. Okay, we're gonna bring our container over here. All right, flank, one of the things I really like about it is more often than not, there's really no extra trimming or work needed to be done with this cut. So we're just gonna set it into our container here and go ahead and marinate it. We suggest marinating for at least 6 hours if you can. You can always do this the night before if you're that clever, but we'll just go ahead and let this sit. We'll cover it. Put it in the refrigerator, let it marinate for about 6 hours, but I have one ready. We have our TV Magic marinated steak. We marinated this yesterday, so it got to sit overnight and get nice and tender and juicy. This recipe is perfect for outside grilling, charcoal, grass grill, whatever you got. We're gonna do this inside, so I'm gonna go ahead and start cooking this. All right. We're just gonna give this a nice little dunk before we put it on the grill. Marinade has all the seasoning and everything in there. All right, while that's cooking, we're gonna go ahead and get our vegetables ready. All right, we're just gonna make these really easy. We're gonna cut them into quarters. We're gonna leave them kind of big so we can grill them. Get that grill flavor on there, get that nice smoky aroma. Okay, we're just gonna take the core out of these peppers, and it's just gonna add that extra element of flavor to these beef fajitas. I like to get kind of colorful here, so we have some green, some red, and some yellow peppers. So we're just gonna go ahead, give this a little grill, spread them out a little bit. Now, if you're using charcoal, you're using a gas grill, I just like to get as much use out of it as I can. Grill as many things as we can. Here, and then we're gonna go ahead and grill these. That looks nice. The flank steak is relatively thin. It cooks pretty quickly. We definitely wanna make sure we give it some time to rest also. Okay, we got our steak cooking. We got our vegetables cooking also. We're gonna, oh yeah, it's looking nice. We're gonna give it a little flip here. Like I said, this piece of meat cooks very quickly. We probably got another maybe 6-7 minutes for this cooking, and then we'll get ready to plate it up. Our meat's nice and cooked. I'm gonna let it rest for a while. We're gonna go ahead and cut up our grilled vegetables here. I'm just gonna give them a nice little slice before we slice our meat and do my favorite part, which is plate up. So the smoky flavor of these vegetables is great. You can add a little bit of taco seasoning on here to add a little bit more flavor into this delicious recipe. Me, I'm a big fan of grilled onions. Okay, we got the makings of our fajitas here. And we're just gonna let this rest for about 5-6 minutes before we slice into it. Okay, our meat's nice and rested. This cut, you can visually see the grain. Okay, we definitely wanna make sure we go against the grain on this one. If it's a really big piece of flank, we can also do, what I'm gonna do is slice it right down the middle just to make it easier to cut. Okay, and then we're just gonna slice against the grain. It just gets that nice tender bite. So try to get this as thin as you can. But you can kind of see how nice and juicy this meat is from the marinade. It smells delicious. It's got that Latin aroma going. I'm gonna get ready to plate. And for me, you could have some flour or corn tortillas. We always have both in my household. Now let's go ahead and plate this meat. Boom. Fan it out so it looks beautiful. Nice. There's that. Okay, we got some peppers and onions going on there. And then you can kind of use whatever ingredients you would like. Salsas, sour cream, cheeses. We got it all. And then I like to add a little bit more spice with my grilled jalapenos. Keep that separate just in case somebody doesn't want spicy. All right, we got some sliced avocado. Make this platter beautiful. We're gonna go ahead and put some sauce on there. We got some guacamole. We got some cheese, some sour cream. There you have it, classic beef fajitas. This is a perfect recipe for grilling outside or in, whatever you have. When you try this recipe at home, please let us know how it came out. We'd love to hear from you. Leave it on the comments below. For more beefy recipes, go to beefitswhatsfordinner.com and we'll see you at the next one.